Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with StubHub, full guide step by step clearly. To start affiliate marketing with StubHub, first, create an account on their affiliate program website. Visit the StubHub affiliate program page and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and website details. Once you submit your application, await approval from the StubHub affiliate team. After receiving approval, log into your new affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available to affiliates. Browse through the provided promotional materials, such as banners and links. Select the marketing materials that suit your audience and niche. Generate unique affiliate links for the StubHub events or products you want to promote. Integrate these affiliate links into your website, blog, or social media platforms. Create engaging content around the events or tickets you are promoting. Write blog posts, create videos, or use social media updates to share valuable insights. Focus on SEO optimization to improve the visibility of your content. Encourage your audience to consider StubHub for their ticket purchasing needs. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard regularly. Review your clicks, conversions, and commission earnings to optimize your strategy. Adjust your marketing methods based on what is working and what isn't. Consider joining online communities or forums to share experiences and gain insights. Stay updated with StubHub's offers and promotions to boost your sales potential. With persistence and strategic planning, you can build a successful affiliate marketing presence with StubHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.